Hello and welcome to my final project for Python 1. My name is Willie and let's begin. My idea is based off of Osu. Osu is a rhythm game where you tap circles to music and you're assigned a rank according to your accuracy, and my game is very similar to that, but there's no visuals and it's really just a timer. What did I learn and use for my project? Well, I used time difference, which basically calculates my the user time, which is your score, and if statements were used to determine your rank. The code example, this is the input, press start, enter to start, enter to stop, and this calculates the user time, which is your score, and this calculates your rank according to your score. For the demo, I will show you guys. Okay, so I'll 9 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got a C. RIP. And so I'm not that good at it, and so I will go back to this. Alright, so anyways, after that, my favorite part of working on this project was seeing the project come together after one class, and it was really satisfying. And I would improve my project by adding visuals, like a visual rank, like a letter grade. And I would make the timer accurate, because when we tested it, we don't know for sure, but it was kind of off by a 10 milliseconds. And thank you for listening to my project, and have a nice day.